Welcome, students. Today we will learn about forest resources. Forest is a biotic community in which dominant species are trees. So, forests are a valuable gift of the nature to the mankind. At present, only 11% of the land is under forest cover in India, but the ideal requirement of the forest cover is 33%. So, there is a wide gap of 22%, which should be covered by growing more and more trees to increase the forest resources. Hence, there is need to cultivate more forest resources because of the different uses. Uses of the forest resources are they are the only source of oxygen for the living organisms to breathe. They uptake the carbon dioxide from the air and reduce the problem of global warming. They provide timber for the furniture industry, for making shapes, railway sleepers, and construction purposes. They provide raw material for the paper industry and cardboard industry. They are the source of edible products in the form of fruits, seeds, vegetables, spices, and condiments. Forests are the source of beverages in the form of tea and coffee gardens. They provide shelter to many wild animals. They provide shelter to millions of birds and insect species. They are source of livelihood for the tribal people. They are source of energy for cooking, heating, and to meet up the fuel wood requirement of the tribal people. Forest leaves, fruits, and other parts are used as medicines, so they act as raw material for the pharmaceutical industry to make the drugs. For example, we are having cinchona tree bark is used to prepare the quinine. They provide new avenues for ecotourism by providing beautiful landscapings. Due to the different landscapings, different tourist places like Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Kullu, Manali, Darjeeling are possible for the ecotourism. Forests maintain the water balance by maintaining the water cycle because forest leaves they undergo transpiration and release water in the form of water vapors. Ultimately, these water vapors undergo condensation and bring rainfall. They are the source of organic matter for the soil and stops the degradation of the soil. They help in minimizing natural disasters like floods, drought, landslides, and act as thick forest cover to bind the soil together, and they prevent the soil erosion. Forests help to create many employment opportunities and strengthen the economy of any nation. They are source of gums, resins, essential oils, wax, and tanning materials. Various animal products such as lac, honey, ivory, hides are useful materials obtained from the forest only. But unfortunately, there is overexploitation of the forest resources. Now, what do you mean by term overexploitation? The term overexploitation means the rate of cutting down of forest species is much more than the rate of growth of tree species. So, forest cover is declining day by day due to the increasing demand for the forest products. Overuse of the forest resources is leading to continuous shrinkage of forest cover. This overexploitation of forest resources is mainly due to the deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is cutting down of trees. So there are many causes of deforestation. It includes urbanization, that is expansion of various towns, cities, then industrialization, mining activities, developmental activities like construction of roads, railway tracks, flyover, bridges, dams, etc. Then forest fires, agriculture. Besides this, there are many more human activities which are responsible for deforestation. But this deforestation is not leading to the good impact on the environment. There are many harmful effects of the deforestation. It leads to the wildlife extinction due to loss of their habitat. It causes ecological imbalance due to loss of many wild species of plants, animals, and insects. It causes desertification of land, that is, conversion of the fertile land into barren land if there will be no organic matter availability. It causes soil erosion and wind erosion. It leads to the removal of uppermost fertile layer of the soil due to lack of organic matter. Besides this, deforestation also leads to increase in the frequency of the floods and the landslides. It causes water crisis. There is less rainfall due to deforestation. Increase in the concentration of CO2 due to less forest cover leads to global warming. So, deforestation in any region brings negative climate change because it alters the rainfall patterns. Hence, it leads to the disturbance of water cycle. Deforestation leads to the less availability of forest products for the mankind in the future years to come. So, in the end, we can conclude that forest resources are very much valuable to the mankind. It is the duty of the human being to conserve the forest resources by afforestation, reforestation, social forestry, and urban forestry, or we should use the forest resources on the rotational cutting pattern. So I hope so, students, each one of us will try our best to conserve the forest resources by growing more and more trees. Let's pledge each one, plant one. I hope you must have liked this video. So kindly share and subscribe to gain more and more. Thank you so much.